Now, continuing on page 4, we're going to go over a few where we find the slope by using the slope formula. So, I'm going to label each point x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. The slope formula says m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So now I'm going to substitute. M equals 3 minus 1 over 5 minus 2. And that equals 2/3. So again, I look on the sheet, find 2/3. It's by ET. And I cross it out on the bottom. Now, let's do number 8. We have 8, 3, 2, 5. Label x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. M equals 5 minus 3 over 2 minus 8. This is 2 over negative 6. And we always have to simplify, and this simplifies to negative 1/3. So I find negative 1/3 on the bottom, which is at AQ, and I cross that out on the bottom. Okay, now, remember, if there's a negative in the numerator or the denominator, the whole fraction is negative. This could have been written negative 2 over 6 or 2 over negative 6, but either way, it equals negative 1 over 3. Now, let's do number 9. I have 1 comma negative 4, 6 comma negative 2. Again, I label x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. And m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So m equals negative 2 minus negative 4 all over 6 minus 1. Now a negative 2 minus a negative 4 becomes negative 2 plus 4. Negative 2 plus 4 is a positive 2. 6 minus 1 is a positive 5. And the answer is 2/5, which is CA, and you cross that out. And the last one we'll do together is number 10. And number 10 is negative 3 comma 1, negative 7 comma 4. M equals x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. The change in y over the change in x, and I do 4 minus 1 over negative 7 minus negative 3, and minus a negative becomes a plus, so I have 3 over negative 4, which is equivalent to negative 3 over 4, which is equivalent to negative 3/4. And that's at the bottom. UA, negative 3/4, and we cross that out.